6th of February. How fast time is flying. அதுக்குள்ள ஃபெப்ரவரியோட செகண்ட் வீக்கு போகிறோம். பட் இட்ஸ் ஓகே, எல்லாம் நல்லபடியாகவே நடக்குதுன்னு நினச்சிக்கலாம். ஓகே, கம் லெட்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட். Go to your mat. Stretch your legs forward. We will start off with Pavanmuktasana straight away. Inhale, squeeze your toes forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Now for your ankle, inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Inhale forward. Exhale towards your body. Legs apart, toes pointed at each other. Inhale, rotate all the way to the sides. Exhale back to the center. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, center. The other way around. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Align back your legs. Place your palms on your knees. Engage your kneecap. Bring your heels up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now bring the soles of your legs together. Move your knee up and down. Titalyasana butterfly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place your elbow on your upper thigh. Inhale, head up. Exhale, push your knee down. Go all the way down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down again. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Now stretch your legs forward. Interlock your fingers under your right knee. Inhale, up. Exhale to the left. Inhale, up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, place on your left thigh. Massage your sole. You can massage up to your knee. Now place your right palm on your right knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Now interlock your fingers under your left knee. Inhale up. Exhale to the right. Inhale up. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, place on your right thigh. Massage your sole. And you can massage up to your knee. Now place your left hand on your left knee. Inhale, push down. Exhale towards your body. Inhale down. Exhale up. Release hip joint rotation. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Straighten. Right leg over your left leg. Pull in. Stretch your hands forward. Inhale, palms up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Thumbs on your shoulder. Elbows together. Inhale all the way up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, pull, look up. Thumbs on your shoulder. Inhale forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Once again, inhale up. Interlock your fingers. Exhale, pull, look up. Thumbs on your shoulder. Inhale forward. Exhale all the way up. Inhale to the front. Release. Now for your neck. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your chin towards your chest. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Back to the center. To the left. Center. Tilt to the right. Center. To the left. Center. Lastly, eyeball exercise. Interlock your fingers, thumbs up. Gaze at the tip of your thumb. Bring your thumb up. all the way down to the center, to the right, center, to the left, center, to the tip of your nose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. To the space in between your eyebrow. Look up. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to the center. Release. Up. Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Come to the front of your mat. Legs apart according to your hip width. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Imagine like there is a tiny sun at your navel point. Imagine like the tiny sun is moving up to your eyebrow center. When the tiny sun is moving up, it's spreading yellow color light throughout your body. The yellow color light is now spread 6 feet around you. The yellow color light is giving you warmth and protection. Now imagine like the tiny sun is moving back to your navel point, your Manipura chakra. It's energizing your Manipura chakra. Right now, you are directly connected to the sun. You are fully energized to do Surya Namaskar. Before you start, thank the nature, thank the universe, thank all your teachers, gurus and mahants, thank your fellow practitioners, thank yourself, thank your body for the opportunity to practice yoga. Open your eyes. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale all the way forward and behind. Exhale all the way down. Now bring your right leg behind, your right toes flat. Inhale, open up your chest, look up. Both your hands down. Left leg behind. Push your shoulders in. Exhale, mountain pose. Now stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring both your knees down, your chest down and your chin down. Ashtangasana. Hold your breath. Inhale up, Bhujangasana, up until your navel point. Exhale, Shashankasana, sit on your heels. Inhale, Majariyasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bring both your knees down, your chest down and your chin down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana, up until your navel point. Exhale, Shashankasana, sit on your heels. Inhale, Majariyasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Now right leg behind, inhale, open. Hands down, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale, up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Good, good, good. Everyone doing well. Inhale, Marjariasana, cat pose. Mela vanga, Samira sister. Come up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, walk back, 1 step behind, Samira sister, 1 step behind. Correct. 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both your knees down, your chest down, and your chin down. Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariasana. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Now left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana, up until your navel point. Exhale, Shashankasana, sit on your heels. Inhale, Marjariasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. 2 more rounds in faster pace. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Marjariasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Now your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Inhale, Marjariasana, cat pose, look up. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg forward. Inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Last round. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Right leg behind. Inhale, open. Hands down. Mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Marjariasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Right leg forward, inhale, open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale all the way down. Left leg behind. Inhale, open. hands down, mountain pose. Your chest down, chin down, knee down, Ashtangasana. Inhale, up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, Majaryasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Left leg forward, inhale, open. Hands down, straighten your knees. Inhale all the way up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Inhale, sideways up. Exhale to the center of your chest. Done. Good. We will continue with Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. A. Come to the front of your mat. Both your legs together. Open up your chest, spine straight, pull in your abdomen. Samasthitihi. Samasthitihi is the standing position which Dashmi is standing in front here, where you bring both your legs together. Dashmi, turn in front, Dashmi. Okay, both your legs together. Roll your shoulders behind, hands at the side of your body. Correct. Okay, terminga. Samasthitihi. Now inhale, bring both your hands up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Now bend your knees until both your hands are completely touching the floor. Jump out or bring your right leg and left leg behind. Go body down, Chaturanga. Now inhale, upward facing, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay. 1, inhale, exhale. Deep inhalation and exhalation. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Straighten your knee, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samasthitihi, back to the original position. Second round, Samasthitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Go down. Revati, go down, Revati. Inhale, upward facing, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward facing. Downward facing like mountain pose, but you will push your shoulders in further. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Two, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front or bring your right leg and left leg forward. Straighten your knee, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samasthitihi. Third round, Samasthitihi. Check back your Samasthitihi. Now inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, inhale, exhale. 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Back to the original position. 4th round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Shakila, both your legs together, Shakila. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Back to the original position. And last round, Samastitihi. Inhale, up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out. Inhale, upward facing, elbow straight, come up. Exhale, downward facing. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, sideways up, look up. Exhale, Samastitihi. Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B, Samastitihi. Come to the front of your mat. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Now bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now bring your right leg forward in between your hands. Bring both your hands up, Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Exhale, both your hands down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Second round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaduranga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now bring your right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Now stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Samastitihi. Nandini, continue பண்ணுங்க Nandini. Come, do. Utkatasana, go down, touch. Come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Now stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. And last round, Samastitihi. Utkatasana, go down, touch, come up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, head up only. Now bend your knees, jump out, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. exhale downward. Now right leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward. Exhale, downward. Left leg forward, inhale up, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, body down, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Now stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your knees, jump to the front. Straighten your knees, look up. Exhale, head down completely. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Release, relax, sit down. Okay. Regulate back your breathing. Okay. After class, those who wants to know how to do Chaturanga, you can stay back. Okay, stay back after class. I will teach Chaturanga. And if you have, some of you are totally new, so in between when you stop you are stopping halfway and all, that is totally normal. See, when I started teaching with 3 rounds of Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. I think 2 rounds of Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A, then 1 round of Ashtanga Surya Namaskar B, or I did not teach at all in early stages of teaching. This is 5 years back. Then I gradually increased 3, 3, 3. Then for a very long time, it was 5, 3, 3. Then I think since 2 years ago, I made it all 5, 5, 5. Because see, I felt like whenever I increase the number of Surya Namaskar, students become more flexible. That is one. And another thing, I felt like I should not be stopping anyone's, who am I to judge that my students can only do 5, 3, 3 Surya Namaskar. If I give more, maybe they can do more. So it's okay if you are stopping halfway. Sometimes the first Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A, you can do Chaturanga. After that, you cannot do Chaturanga already. Things like that. All this is very normal. As you go, you will realize that you can do better. You can hold Chaturanga. You can do all full 5, 5, 5 same. All this will happen over time as you practice. Okay, you will build your stamina, your strength, and if you have any pain when you are doing all this movement, let's say yesterday was your first class or day before yesterday was your first class, then after class you feel like crying, you felt like crying, you felt like you don't want to join the class anymore, believe me, maybe 70 to 80% they would have felt the same also. But that is how you track your progress. Let's say today, see, through the practice of yoga, you will realize that you are actually physically, you are getting younger, because all this while maybe you would not have been able to hold your body with your hands in the Chaturanga Saimudu and a lot of things like this. Before this, you would have had pain if you did all this movement. But over time, as you practice, you won't have all this pain. That means you are naturally, as you get older, you have less strength, less flexibility. But through the practice of yoga, we are reversing all that back to we get younger and we become stronger physically, mentally, and emotionally. So don't be disappointed at all. And also about unlocking asana, this one I want to reshare once again, because some of you messaged me saying that you became disappointed when you could not unlock asana. See, unlocking asana I will teach the best method that I feel is the best for all my students. And what was best for me also when I tried Thank you. This is new camera. So, thank you, Sharmila. So, பாருங்க வார்த்தையே வர மாட்டேங்குது என்ன பூஜை பண்ணோன்னு. So, it depends on, okay, what I felt as the best way for me to unlock asanas, that particular asana, and what I feel like is the best approach that you can use also, I will give you. But as you practice on your own, you have to see, yoga is always about self-practice. As you practice and practice, you will realize maybe there are some other modifications that you can do that will make you unlock the asana. So இதெல்லாம் வந்து இதுதான் வந்து செல்ஃப் நம்மளோட செல்ஃப் வந்து see when you are doing all this, you are spending so much of time with yourself. You are, that is when you are actually slowly getting to know your leg. Maybe all this while you did not even realize the existence. I always say the last toe, the kuti small toe, all this while we did not even realize the existence of our toes, our fingers. But when you do all this, you are actually, you start looking back at yourself. From body, you start moving within also. That is how we move inwards through the practice of yoga. So, about unlocking asana, see, எவ்வளோ பெரிய an advanced practitioner also, if you go and ask them, are you happy with this asana that you have done so majestically? They will say, no, I'm not happy. I have certain things to correct and things like that. So don't feel disappointed. You just keep practicing. It will happen over time. All the asanas will come to you over time as you practice. Okay. For those who wants to learn Chaduranga, after class we will do Chaduranga. Okay, so you can stay back after class, we will do Chaduranga. Sugashini, stay back. Dashmi also stay back. The rest, those who wants to learn Chaduranga, you can stay back also. Okay, today we are going to do one asana that some of you have done before. For those who have done before, I have some beautiful variations for that asana. The asana பேர் வந்து Vatayanaasana சொல்லுவாங்க. What does Vatayanaasana means? Vatayanaasana is horse face pose னு சொல்லுவாங்க. See, this asana is actually very special. When you see the asana, it looks like a very simple asana, but when you do it, you feel very majestic. You feel very good about yourself. You feel very strong, as though you have conquered something in your life. It's about hip flexibility as well as it's about your hip flexibility, knee or the flexibility, as well as it's about stability also. Okay, it will also stretch your shoulder. Okay, it's a very beautiful asana. I will show in a while. The philosophy behind this asana. See, in the horse, if you all have heard about Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, he will take reincarnation whenever he feels like adharma. Adharma na, things which are not right, is too much in this world, he will appear. See, there are Mumurtigal, there are three God who will create, preserve and destroy. So the one who saves, the one who preserves, the one who sustains the world with all the good things is Vishnu. So he has already taken 9 reincarnations. Avatar சொல்லுவாங்க, 9 avatars எடுத்துட்டாங்க. There's one more left. He started with Kurma Avadaram, Matsya Avadaram, Varaha Avadaram. ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் வந்து when too much of adharma is in this world, he wants to make sure that dharma is sustained in this world. He will come and to destroy. He will save the world by destroying all the negativity in the world. So the last, he has already taken 9 avatars. There's one more left, which is called Kalki Avatar. So Kalki Avatar என்னன்னா, he will come in a horse, holding a sword, and he will be riding the horse at the side, at the beach side னு சொல்லுவாங்க. So he is yet to take the avatar. See, when I was small, when I heard this story, somehow this story really attracted me to the extent I was so into the story that I thought I was Kalki. So I was just waiting to turn and become a Kalki. Ana Kalki marala. Furthermore, I'm a female. So Kalki is actually a male. So ana ennana what I understand after practicing yoga, all of us we play the role of Kalki in our own life first and in everyone else's life through the practice of yoga. So through the practice of yoga, we are slowly saving ourselves. We are making our life better. எதெல்லாம் நமக்குள்ள உள்ள negativity, whatever negativity that you have in yourself, you are slowly letting it go through the practice of yoga. And you are also true when your positivity is so strong, it will be emanated around you. Everyone will be able to feel the positivity in you just by your presence at that place. People will feel good. சில பேர் வந்து you see, when someone comes to your house and leaves, you will feel like you don't feel good when the person is there, because there's so much of negativity. Sometimes the person is just there and you don't feel good. But when some people comes, even when you look at certain guru's picture, the picture itself, you feel so good about it because of the energy of that person. So through the practice of yoga, this is what will happen to you. Some of you actually shared with me, after practicing yoga, ஒரு சில friend கூட I've started having issues with my friend and they are slowly going away. Be happy that some people are leaving. Some people are just meant to stay with us for certain period of time. Then when the energy is not aligned anymore, maybe now you are actually vibrating in a higher level. So if they are those who are meant to stay, those who suits your energy will stay. Those who are meant to leave, ஒரு சில பேர்லாம் லைஃப்ல வந்து they will be there all the way giving you so much of trouble in the name of friend, then all of a sudden they will leave. So let them go. So when you practice yoga, your energy is not the same anymore. So the surrounding will change. Slowly everything will change. But what is important is for you to practice continuously. Okay, so through the practice of yoga, all of us play the role of Kalki in our own life as well as in other people's life also. Okay, how do we do Vatayanasana? I will show in a while. We will do a few preparatory asanas. Okay, idukku vandu preparatory asana is very important. I will show half Vatayanasana, full Vatayanasana, as well as Vatayanasana oda slightly more advanced variations. Okay, the first preparatory asana, like what I said, this involves the flexibility of your hip. The hip flexor or the flexibility is very important. So we will start first with, okay, I'll show this way. Okay, you will stretch both your legs forward, bend your right knee. Okay, make it tight. Can. Okay, bring your right leg on top of your left thigh as much as possible. Then you'll bring your right hand all the way behind, hold your big toe. Okay, let's say I can't reach for now, you still place your hand behind. See what happens when you bring your hand behind, you are doing two things. One vandu for the flexibility of your hip. Another thing, you are also opening up your shoulder. So don't hold from the front. Front na you won't feel anything. You bring your hand behind. Then inhale, bring your left hand up. Exhale, go down. Go down, inhale, exhale. Try to go lower until your chin touches the knee. Okay, go. Right leg on top of your left thigh. Okay, see, try to bring your knee down as much as possible. When you bring your knee down, you will feel the stretch at your hip flexor here. Then hold your toe behind, left hand up, exhale, go down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, inhale, exhale. 4, 5, inhale, exhale, pull yourself lower. 6, Nimala sister, very good, good, lower. 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Now switch leg, left leg on top of your right thigh. Left hand behind, hold your left big toe. Inhale, exhale, go down. Now stay 1, inhale, exhale. 2, good. Priyanka, go down, Priyanka. Try to go down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up, release. Okay, the next asana, okay, you will come up on your knees, sorry, not knees, squatting down position. Okay, from this position, you will stretch your leg sideways. See, try to make it as straight as possible. Supposedly, the hip or your heel must be aligned. It should all be in a straight line. Okay, see, you will try to bring your hip down as much as possible. Then left hand around your left knee. If you can lock, you lock behind, open up your shoulder, look far behind, Skandasana. See, if you want to ensure that your leg is straight, you can go all the way behind, then you check whether your heel and your hip is in a straight line. Okay, go, lock, look behind, stay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, good Rajeswari, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Now switch leg. Okay. Lock. Stay. 1, 2, rotate your body, look up. 3, good Kanimuli, very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Okay. Release. Good. Come on. Okay. The next asana. Okay. This pose we have done before. Devi pose. Devi pose வந்து, okay. You will open up your legs, toes pointed sideways. Then from this position, okay, open up your legs wide. You have to open up until your heels and your knee is aligned. இங்கே இருந்து go down. If I show sideways, make sure that your toes are pointed sideways, body straight. Don't go down like this. You won't feel anything. Straight up. You will feel a lot of stretch at your hip. Okay, go. Go down. Inhale, exhale, go lower. Balance yourself. Stay. 1, 2. Sugeshni, கால் இன்னும் பெருசா ஓபன் பண்ணுங்க. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale, lower. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Come up. Okay. The next one, sit down. Okay, all this is actually for your hip flexibility. Okay, you will stretch your legs forward, right leg up. You will hold with your right hand. Okay, right leg, you'll bring your right hand inwards, not not outside, but inside. Then you will lift your leg up as much as possible. Then your opposite hand, your left hand will go inside. Okay, go. Bring your right leg up. Your right hand will go inwards. Inwards. Lift up as much as possible. Okay, this will also help to straighten your knee. Some of you asked about straightening your knee. This will be helpful. Then you bring your hand inside. Hold here. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go in, go in, go in. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Now switch. The other leg. Inhale, up. Stay. 1, bring your hand in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Come down. Okay, one last preparatory asana before we go into the asana. Okay, you will bend. This asana is also very good for your knee. Okay, some of us, we have in the knee when the tight irukum. This will actually be helpful, but as you do the asana, your knee may be lifted up, so it's okay. Okay, you will bend your knee, go down on your elbow, then go down flat. Okay, from this position you will lift the other leg up, lift up as much as possible. Okay, go, lie down. Okay, bend your knee first, toes pointed behind. See, make sure that it's not pointing sideways, toes pointed behind. This will help for hamstring and thigh flexibility also. Okay, bend the other knee, interlock your fingers, lift it close to your chest. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Inhale, come up. See, it's okay if you can't go down fully. You just stay on your elbow like this. Okay? Okay. Do for the other leg. Do for the other leg. Okay. Then you go down and bring your knee close to your chest. Okay. Nimla sister, அப்படி elbow ல stay பண்ணுங்க. Can. Okay, good. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Inhale, come up. Okay. Okay. So now we will do the, okay, how does the asana look like? Vatyanasana எப்படி இருக்கும்னா, I will show the full asana. Okay. Vatyanasana, right leg on top of your left thigh. Then you will bring your right leg, the other leg forward, left leg forward. Okay, so one knee is down on the floor, the other knee is lifted. Then you will do Garudasana hand, look up at your hand. You will stretch up, look up. Okay, this is Vatyanasana. Okay, we will start with Ardha Vatyanasana or half Vatyanasana. Okay, come up on your knees. Come, let's do together. Okay, now you'll bring both your hands down, right leg forward first. Then lift your right leg up and bring it close to your left thigh. See, as high as possible. Okay, then from this position, Vijay Madri Namaskar. Vijay Manna, right hand up, left hand, see, from in front, it will go behind. This is called Garudasana hand. Then lift it up. Stretch up, look up at your hand. Okay, go. Good, good, Patu, good. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Now do for the other leg. Okay, good. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Release. Good. This is the Dashat Leela aunty. Aunty, நான் அப்புறமேல உங்களை திரும்பி highlight பண்றேன். Okay, so now, how do we do Vatyanasana? I want everyone to attempt Vatyanasana as much as possible. Okay, right leg will go on top of your left thigh. This one we have all done short while ago. So how do I bring my knee out? So you are like this, right? Okay, you will bring your hand down. Then from this position, see, shift your body weight sideways. So because I'm going to bring my left knee out, I have to shift my body weight to my right knee so that there is space for me to bring my leg out. I'll turn my leg up. கொஞ்ச நேரம் இருங்க sister. Okay, bring your hand down. Then shift your body weight sideways. Bring your leg out. Slowly walk your toes out. Maybe for some of us, leg will be like this. Then from here, you try to come up as much as possible. Okay, the actual asana, you'll walk forward until your whole foot is flat on the floor. Then once you are like this, then you will come up. Look up. Or another way of doing this asana, you can also do from standing position. Okay, how do I do from standing? Okay, legs apart, right leg on top of your left thigh. Then from this position, see, I will drop straight from this position where you bend the other knee. Bend, bring your hand down. Okay, once you bring your hand down, you straight away bring your knee down to the floor. So you don't have to stretch your leg forward anymore. You don't have to walk this leg out. You are straight away going down to the position. Then come up slowly, balance yourself. Bring your hand. Okay, come, try. Revati sister, நீங்க செய்யுங்க. Let me see you. You can do from either standing position. Navina, very good, Navina, very good. Okay, Bhavin sister, very good. Priyanka, good, Priyanka, good. Okay, one, you stay for 15 counts, then switch the other side. Good, try, Revati sister, try. I can't see you doing it. Do from seated position, do from seated position. Okay, see, from seated position now, you'll bring your right leg on top. See, shift your body sideways so that there is space for you to lift your leg up. Then you place, yes, correct. Yes, see, some of us, your knee won't come down. So what do you do to bring your knee down? You bring both your hands down, press your body down. If press பண்ணீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா knee will surely come down. Then you come up. Straighten your body. Okay. Do for both sides. Once you are done for right leg, you will do for your left leg. See. Okay, for those who are attempting, keep doing. Okay, for those who have already done Vattenasana, I will show one variation. Okay, the advanced version of Vattenasana. See, this is actually very comfortable because there is gap between your knee and your heel. So what you do, you move your leg forward. Where now my heel and my knee is in a straight line. Ingerundu you balance yourself, you come up. Then you do this. Okay. Then let's say this is also very easy for me. So what do I do? See, the knee which is lifted up, you'll bring your right hand to the opposite side. Then you lift your hand up. Look up. This is Parvitra Vattenasana. Parvitrana revolving. And here, when you lift up. Okay. For those who have already done, attempt that. Gaudy sister, good. Come up, Vanga. No kunjam. Good, Punita, try. Bhavin sister, you do the other variation. Okay, sister, for those who are finding it hard to bring your knee down, see, knee வந்து இப்படி lifted இருக்குனா, you bring your body down. Bring your body down, then shift your body weight sideways once again. Then you are like putting your weight here until your knee comes down. Then you slowly come up. Okay. And I will show for those who have unlocked Patyanasana, one more variation. See, once again, I'm showing another way of doing from standing position. Okay. Right leg on top of your left thigh. Then you bend your knee. Bend your knee. Bring your hand down. Then straight away, place your knee down. So this will actually be easier. Then you come up. Okay. For those who have unlocked the, for those who can do the variation, do another variation where you bring your hand behind, hold your big toe. Then here. If they're saying what you did just now is correct. Do. Prakash, bring your knee out, Prakash. I think you can do. Knee வெளிய கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. Try. அந்த knee இல்ல, இன்னொரு knee. Okay. Revdi, now bring your hand down, hand down. Shift your body weight to the other side. Slowly bring your knee down. கையை ரெண்டையும் வந்து உங்களோட knee side கிட்ட move பண்ணுங்க. Now bring your knee down. Push your knee down. Go lower. Yes, a bit more. A bit more. Now come up. Now you straighten your body and do the Garudasana Namaskar. Yes, good. That is the way, correct. Okay. See, if your kaal vandu tapak kaki, your foot is not going down fully, it's actually, it's because of our hip flexibility. You do all the preparatory asana which is related to hip flexibility, then you do again. You do a few days and the preparatory asana, then you try, you will be able to unlock the asana. Okay. Okay. So you try this asana again. It's okay if you are doing half Ardha Vattanasana nalum paravala, full Vattanasana senjittingalum paravala. If you are doing the other two variations of the asana also, it's good. See, what is important is how you, when you do this asana, you will feel very majestic when you do this asana. Do right leg, can't bend left leg. When I do right leg, see, one leg, usually the hip flexibility, your leg, your hand, your shoulder, one side will be more flexible than the other side. So sometimes when we do right side, it will be easier. Left side senja, left side vandu varadhu. It's because of the different flexibility at different side of our body. Then if your knee is not coming down like what I showed just now, you shift your body weight to the other side where your knee is not coming down. You keep bringing your knee down, pushing your knee down using your weight, the weight of your body. You try a few times. Ardha Vattanasana kandipa vandrum. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll show Parvitra one more time. Okay, here. Then from this position, Parvitrana, you have to always remember it's revolving. So now let's say my left knee is lifted up. You'll bring your right hand to the left side of your left knee. So look up at your hand. Okay, so that is Parvitra. So that's about it for today. See, okay. So what we have to understand, whenever we do all these asanas, through all these asana, we understand ourselves better. All this philosophy behind this asana. When you do asana without understanding it, without any philosophy, understanding any philosophy behind the asana, you feel empty. But when you practice, you try to relate it back to philosophies, what you feel when you do the asana. I feel majestic, I feel good. You can also relate this to Mahabharata story. Kurukshetra போர்ல வந்து அர்ஜுனா தேர் ஓட்டும் போது அவங்க வந்து he will be actually he will be the charioteer where there will be 5 horses, and the 5 horses are our senses. There is actually story behind that also. If you don't control your senses, your chariot will terbalik, and that is how our life will go terbalik also. Okay, so அந்த மாதிரி தான். When you see back the Kalki story, we all play the role of Kalki in our own life as well as to people around us. Maybe at home, see, சில பேர் வீட்ல வந்து this is very normal. It's not that they are bad people, they are used to it. Sometimes our friend around us, they do all these things and you realize that what they are doing is not right. Sometimes at home, our mom will be talking a lot about other people. இவங்கள பத்தி gossip பண்ணுவாங்க, இவங்கள பத்தி gossip பண்ணுவாங்க, இவங்கள பத்தி gossip பண்ணுவாங்க. So, see, as you practice, your energy will be so good that slowly you will realize that all the people around you starts changing. It's not that you have to go and sit and advise them. See, you shouldn't do this, இது செய்யாதீங்க, அது செய்யாதீங்க. Sometimes you don't have to tell anything at all. You just do all your practice. The positive energy that you will have as you practice, it will change the people around you. Not only yourself, it will change people around you also. That is how you become a Kalki for your own life and the people around you. Okay, so that's about it for today. I thank all of you for joining me. We will meet again on Monday. For those who have just joined, see, during MCO, throughout MCO, class will be 6 days in a week, which will be Monday to Saturday. Monday to Friday, when the class will be 7 to 8. Only on Saturday, it will be 5:50 until 7. You can join all the classes. I just wanted to give more classes because in the point, some of us, we have not gone back to meet our family members for quite some time. We have not gone out. Maybe we have not, some of us, we like to go out and makan with our family. So when we don't do all these things, it makes us feel down, low, depressed. When I don't meet my students physically, of course, I am very happy to meet all of you virtually, but that thing when you meet your students, you share everything, you see them unlocking asana, sometimes they will come. See, when they come to class, they will come with the frown oda varuvanga. They themselves don't realize that they are sitting in the class like this. But when they go back home with smiling face. That thing, when I go back home, how tired I am, I will sleep very peacefully because when I see all that. So like personally, I miss that very, very much also. So all of us, we have, because of this MCO, the COVID, all of us may be going through some certain things that we do not want in our life, where we feel down and low. So through the practice of yoga, slowly all this, you will be able to let go all those negativity. Another thing is, take this as an opportunity. You just take, although in the pandemic, is not something which is good, take this as an opportunity that God wants you to practice yoga at least 6 days in a week. So you try to come to class as much as possible. Apdiye class varlanalum, you practice on your own. See, yoga must become as part of our life. How we eat every day, how we sleep every day, that is how yoga you must practice அப்படின்ற ஒரு, you have to come to that state of mind. If you don't eat today, you will feel like I'm going to faint. If I don't sleep, I am going to faint. So same goes to yoga. If I don't practice yoga, I feel like fainting. அப்படி வந்து இருக்கணும். Practice every day. Don't worry about asana not coming. I can't do chaduranga. I can't do this and that. In the end of the day, remember, yoga is a practice where you find the God within you. We don't have to go outside. We are all complete by our own. We have our own God inside. அதை தேடி போறது தான் வந்து is the practice of yoga. So if you delay today, I give rest to my God. Let him wait. I will rest today. I will do everything that I want. Tomorrow I practice yoga. Then I give 1 week break. Then I find God once again. So அந்த journey வந்து இன்னும் ரொம்ப தூரம் இருக்கும். But let's say I do every day, I practice every day, I practice every day, I practice every day, you will see all the changes. See, yoga is one practice where சில இதெல்லாம் வந்து you have to learn fully to get all the benefit. Yoga is a promise. As you practice, you will get all the benefit. See, ஒரு ஆசனா வந்து இது வந்து நான் சொந்தோ வந்து ஆசனா கொடுக்குறேன். நான் ஃபுல்லா அன்லாக் பண்ணும்போது அதுக்கு கிடைக்கிற பெனிஃபிட் வேற. பட் when I do half, is it that I don't get the benefit? You still get the benefit, but not fully yet. So for you to get it fully, you have to keep practicing and practicing. But you will get all the benefit throughout. Take this as an opportunity to practice every day and see all the changes that you want to receive through the practice of yoga. I personally, when I started practicing yoga, this was not my intention at all. I did not want to become a teacher or anything. I just wanted to save myself out of my depression, all those issues. But yoga has given me more than I have ever imagined in my life. I thank all of you for joining me today. Practice and all the good things will come in your life. Thank you so much. Namaskar, everyone. Okay, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Those who wants to do Chaduranga Dandasana, you can stay back. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, dear Priyanka. Thank you. Can, Sita, can. Thank you, Nalini, thank you. Thank you. Happy weekend, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let me show Chaduranga Dandasana. Thank you, sister. Okay. See, many of you asked about Chaduranga Dandasana. So now I want to teach Chaduranga Dandasana. See, Chadurna innana, Chadur is 4. Anga is parts of your body. Dandasana is stuff or rod pose. Stuff rod na eppadi irukum? Rod na adu vandu stiff-ஆ straight-ஆ இருக்கும். Correct? So that is what it means. 4 parts of your body will be down on the floor, only 4 parts of your body, and your body will be straight and stiff like a rod. So how do I practice? See, Chaduranga Dandasana will help you to gain a lot of strength on your upper body. The upper body strength, many asanas you unlock by when you have good upper body strength. Okay, so how do I do Chaduranga Dandasana? See, 4 angas that should be down on the floor is both your palms and your toes. Only these 4 parts of your body will be down on the floor. So when I do Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar, Dashmi do Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar, Ashtanga Surya Namaskar 8. Okay, Samastitihi. Inhale, bring both your hands up, look up. Exhale, look up and go down. Inhale, head up only. Now bend your knees until both your hands are touching the floor. See, For those who are new also, see, முதல்ல வந்து knee won't be straight. Just now your knee was straight. Do again, Dashmi. Inhale, bring both your hands up. Exhale, go down. Okay, see, now your knee will be straight. It's okay if you can't touch the floor. You can hold your ankle, your calf or shin. Now inhale, head up only, you will look up. Now you bend your knees until both your hands are completely touching the floor. Okay, Dashmi, don't jump. Bring your right leg and left leg behind. Bring your right leg and left leg behind. Now go body down. So you will bend your elbow, bring your elbow close to your body. Okay, hip lower, Dashmi, hip lower. No, konjam. Hip, correct. See, this is Chaduranga Dandasana, where both your palms are down on the, okay, both your palms. Dashmi, actually, I wanted to correct you also. I asked you to stay. Your hip must be lower. Now, correct. Okay? Okay. So, once again, do. Okay. So, now do from lying down position. Lying down. Let's say, in the மேலே இருந்து drop பண்ணி கீழே வரது கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. What I do, I will go down fully down first, down, fully flat, go fully flat. Okay, now from this position, see her hands are not close to her shoulder. Bring slightly lower. Chest கிட்ட கொண்டுட்டு வாங்க. Palms, ரெண்டு palms on chest. Okay, can. Correct. Okay, now from this position, engage your kneecap, lift your knees up. Yes. So now the knees are off the floor. Then now you use see her shoulder is also off the floor, her knee is also off the floor. Then using the strength of both your palms, lift your chest up. Hip lower, chest higher, hip lower, chest higher. Okay, come down. Okay, good. Thank you, Dashmi. Okay, let me show once again. Okay, so Chaduranga Dandasana. Okay, see, both my hands, either when you are dropping, see my palms will be close to my chest, elbow lifted up, but there will be gap between my body and the floor. The gap between your body and the floor is 3 angula சொல்லுவாங்க. 3 angulana in the 3 finger the gap between your body and the floor. So let's say for me to drop straight, I find it hard. What I do, I will Samastitihi, inhale up, exhale, go down, inhale, head up. Now bend your knees, okay, jump out பண்ணிட்டீங்க. You go down fully first, fully flat. Then from this position, what you do, chest up. Okay, don't go fully down, chest up. Then you, on your toes, you lift your knee up. So, இப்போ வந்து basic version. My back doesn't stay up. Basic, this is the basic actually, where you still chest up and knee up. This is the basic. Only the abdominal region will be down on the floor. So, using the strength of your palm. See, if your hand is here, you are going to find yourself very heavy. So, bring your hand lower, close to your chest. Okay. Then, from this position, your chest is already lifted up. Engage your kneecap. As you engage now, engage is tightening. So, as you engage, this part will be lifted up. It will be off the floor. Engage, then you lift your body up. Use the strength of your palm, lift your body up. Stay here. You don't have to lift so high. The gap between your body and the floor is only, you look. Okay, come, try, lie down. It's okay if you can't lift your body up at all, but you must feel the pressure on your shoulder. Okay, now lift your knees up. Chest up first, chest up first. Now, knees up. Engage your kneecap, knees up. Then, chest up. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A bit more, Priyanka, a bit more, chest higher. Come down, come down. Okay, release. See, so actually that is the method. There is no other method. Either you drop from when you are doing your Surya Namaskar, or you come down flat. Then from this position, you lift your knee up. When you are practicing separately, chest must be lifted off the floor. Then knee up, engage your kneecap. Engage, straighten your knee, then lift your body up. Hold the weight. Bring your elbow close to your body so that the side of your upper arm can be holding your body. So like this. So initial stage, you will be, see your body, the whole body must be hovering above the floor, lebih kurang about 3 angulas. Okay, then from that position, one more thing I want to teach. When I shift my upper body forward, it becomes easy. But when you shift your body upper, when we shift all our body weight forward, sometimes we tend to lift our hip up. This is something that normally happens. We will do like this. Hip must be down also. See, when your hip is lifted, your body becomes like this. You must, all asanas, you have to open up your shoulder. See, when I'm lifting my hip up, my chest will come down and I am collapsing my shoulder. So always ensure that you are opening up your shoulder. When you open up your shoulder, your elbow must be above your body. It should not be aligned with your body or lower. Ipadina, you are collapsing your shoulder. This is also not opening up your shoulder. But when your elbow is away from your body, you are opening up your shoulder. Place your hands at the side of your chest here. Okay. This one you just practice. Practice makes perfect. Actually, you have to keep practicing until it happens. When you are able, see, just now I showed Leela auntie, I think she has left already. Leela auntie is I used to have even elder student, but now she's this year she's 67 years old. Yet, if you see, she can do Chaduranga, but when she first came to class, to our studio, Kajang studio, she could not even walk up the staircase. But she has never missed even one class. Now she can do Chaduranga, she can do, you ask her to do anything, she will do. It's because of her practice alone. And if you see, she's not a small sized person, I showed just now. So it's not about body size, it's not about when you started, about your age. I am now 38 years old. I started when I was 33 years old. So, as long as yoga has touched you, just feel that you are lucky enough. God has been too kind towards you and He has given this art to you. Practice. Either vardo, you just keep doing and keep doing. Eventually, it will happen. Okay? Okay. That's about it for today. Sugashni stay for a while and then Dashmi stay for a while. The rest, I think that's about it. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Sugashni, do your Surya Namaskar. Thank you, Shima. Thank you. Do your Surya Namaskar. நேரா வாங்க நான் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் கொடுக்குறேன் செய்யுங்க. ஓகே, Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Okay, legs apart according to your hip width. Inhale, bring both your hands up. Exhale, go down. Now bring your right leg behind, your right toes flat. Okay. Okay, பின்னாடி உள்ள கால் முன்னுக்குள்ள கால் இருக்குல்ல அந்த கால் வந்து ஃபிளாட்டா இருக்கணும். So bring forward some more. ஹீல் வந்து கீழ டச் பண்ணணும். ஹீல் வந்து கீழ டச் பண்ணணும். பின்ன முன்னுக்கு first the leg in front. No. See. Okay, come, let me show you. See, this must be flat. The leg behind must be flat also. So you will be like this. Okay, so it shouldn't be lifted. Pinnadiyum flat, munnukum flat. Then you will open up your chest. Then down. Now do your mountain pose. Okay, bring your heel down also. Heel வந்து கீழ கொண்டு வாங்க. பின்னாடி ஃபுல்லா கால ஃபுல்லா வைங்க. Now better. Okay. Now bring your chest down, your chin down, and your knee down. Ashtangasana. Okay. Yes. Knee down, chest down, chin down, knee down. Chest, chin, knee. Knee வந்து முட்டி கால் கீழ வைங்க. Hip வந்து தூக்குங்க. இடுப்பு வந்து தூக்குங்க. இடுப்பு தூக்குங்க. Correct. Inhale up until your navel point. Now toes flat. Toes flat. Come. பின்னாடி கால் flat வைங்க. Okay. மேல வாங்க. Navel point வரைக்கும். Exhale, Shashankasana. Sit on your heels. Come up, sit on your heels. Okay. Inhale, come up, Marjariyasana, cat pose. Exhale, Parvatasana, mountain pose again. Now bring your right leg forward. Okay. மொத மாதிரி adjust பண்ணுங்க கால. முன்னுக்குள்ள கால adjust பண்ணுங்க. இல்ல கால் வந்து இன்னும் bring in front, the leg in front. நீ இல்ல முட்டி இல்ல உங்க தப்பா கக்கி இருக்குல்ல தப்பா கக்கிய கீழே கொண்டு வா correct. Yes, now correct. Open. Hands down. Straighten your knees. இல்ல straighten your knees னா மேல வந்துருங்க ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வந்துருங்க. You bring your right leg. Correct. Inhale up. Exhale back to the original position. Okay. Now do Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A. Inhale up. Exhale, go down. Go all the way down. Inhale, head up. Now bend your knees until both your hands are completely touching the floor. Okay. கையை ஃபுல்லா கீழே வச்சிருங்க ஃப்ளோர்ல வச்சிருங்க. ஜம்ப் அவுட் சதுரங்கா ஜம்ப் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே குட் குட். கோ நவ கோ பாடி டவுன் ஃபுல்லி. சதுரங்கா முதல்ல செஞ்சீங்கல நான் இப்ப கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி காமிச்சேன். கோ டவுன் அவ்வளவுதான் கீழே வந்துருங்க. ஓகே கை இப்ப என்னன்னா I wanted to adjust your hand. Bring your hand lower. Now inhale, upward facing, elbow straight, come up. Okay, elbow straighten பண்ணுங்க ஃபுல்லா straight. அஷ்டங்கா வந்து elbow straight, upward facing னா elbow straight. முட்டி கை முட்டி நேராக்குங்க. Come up straight, fully straight. சமம். No. Okay. Come up, Sugashni. Come up. Release. See me doing. Okay. இப்படி ஃபுல்லா மேல வரணும். Elbow straight. Then you will go down. See, when I say come up, what you are doing, you are going behind like this. See, don't go behind. You'll bring your right leg and left leg forward. Look up. Exhale, head down. Then you will come up. Okay? அந்த ஒரு பார்ட் தான் நான் கரெக்ட் பண்ணலாம்னு நினைச்சேன். ஏன்னா நீங்க ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் கோஸ்தான்ல போறீங்க. நேற்று நான் சொன்னல கோஸ்தான்ல போறீங்க. பின்னாடி போக கூடாது. காலு தான் முன்னுக்கு வரணும். You shouldn't go behind. Leg must come in front. Okay? Understand? Okay. Thank you. அதுதான். You practice anything you ask me. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Rashmi, see, all that you are doing is very good. But I want to do extra. இன்னும் வந்து உங்களோட மூவ்மெண்ட் இன்னும் ரொம்ப சந்தேவாக்குறதுக்கு உங்களோட இதை கேமரா வந்து மேல தூக்குங்க. ஃபுல்லா தெரியுற மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் ஸ்கிரீனை வந்து மேல தூக்குங்க. Okay. Now you do Ashtanga Surya Namaskar A. Inhale up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, head up. Bend your knees, jump out. Chaturanga. Okay, Chaturanga, after this, you watch your video. You must take video of yourself and watch your Chaturanga. Hip must go lower. Hip lower, hip lower. No, avladhaan. Okay, inhale, upward facing. Okay, idha I want to do correction. Okay, see? Okay, release. Upward facing. When you are seeing, you are not doing it wrongly. But for you to gain strength, I show how to do this position. இது சதுரங்க இருக்குல்ல, இங்க இருந்து வரும்போது you are dropping down then coming up. Don't drop down. Straight இங்க இருந்து can see. Here come. Don't drop your knee down. Okay, Sugashni. Try again. Okay, Sugashni, thank you. Bye. அதை நீ வைக்காதீங்க, கீழே வைக்காத, திரும்பி செய்யுங்க. சதுரங்கா. ரஷ்மி காண போயிட்டீங்க. Once again. Okay, பரவாயில்ல, இப்ப வருது. But you can understand, right, what I am saying, and you watch back the Surya Namaskar video. Actually, நீங்க திரும்பி சூரிய நமஸ்கார் வீடியோ பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிரும். ஓகே, நீங்க அந்த சூரிய நமஸ்கார் வீடியோ பாத்தீங்கன்னா நான் தெரிஞ்சிரும் நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னு. அந்த டோஸ் அழகா நீங்க ஸ்லைட் பண்ணுங்க. You will be able to do it. Okay, you watch the video closely, you try again. You try this few days, you try, tomorrow you try, then you send me your video. You will surely do it. It's just that I want you to do. நீங்க இங்க இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டரா வரும்போது, கிளாஸ்க்கு வரும்போது நீங்க fully perfect ஆயிரணும்னு எனக்கு ஒரு ஆசை. Okay, okay, you take care. அது மட்டும் தான் I wanted to correct you. That is sometimes instructor வாங்கி teacher ஆவனவன கூட சில பேர் still இப்படி செய்யறவங்கலாம் இருப்பாங்க. But I know that you can do it very beautifully. I have to do this correction. Okay, you take care. Bye.